Hello, and welcome to the Netrist CI&D Pipeline Proof of Concept demo. I'm Mike, and I'll be going through a very simple scenario, which will run our proof of concept through a few different stages, including an entire quality pipeline that includes code quality checks, code coverage, and some security checks. There's a simple concept in Git that involves commit IDs. So any given set of code will have a git commit ID, which represents the code you're currently looking at. So we have a simple merge request here. We're going to be trying to merge from a feature branch into a master branch, where the master's most recent commit ID is C1E1-3D54. Here we have a postman and a call to this software that's currently running on our Netrist API. So we're going to send this call off, and we're expecting to get a response back of the latest code commit that represents that software. So this matches the C1E1-3D54, which is the same one in the master as expected. And we'll be merging with a 39C3, etc. When we compare branches and make this merge after the pipeline automatically runs, we should expect the master branch to have this new git commit ID. So we're going to compare branches and continue and submit the merge request. While this is going on, the merge request will automatically kick off a pipeline which has multiple quality checkpoints. The first one being unit tests, which is going to go over to make sure that our commit didn't actually break anything in from a code standpoint, that all of our logic is running properly. Code quality, so code smells and best practices are enforced in the code. Integration tests to make sure that our connection to the backend servers and databases are working as intended. And a scan of the app and a scan of the container for quality violations. And then finally, we have a security tool that will scan to see if there's any security violations at the end, to make sure that we're not submitting anything that may have a security violation in it. So we're going to let this run for right now, and when this is done running, we're going to automatically merge into the master branch after when all these checkpoints have gone through, because we can be assured that because of all these passed, that the code is of good quality before it gets put into that branch. As you can see, we've fast forwarded a little bit through the pipeline. We've gone through unit tests, code quality integration, scanning the app, and now we're wrapping up on scanning the container. After when this last step is completed, this code will merge itself into the master branch and then automatically deploy itself to the server we have configured. As you can see, the scan container is finished, so we'll check the repository to make sure it's merged in. And the most recent code that is merged in is currently the change that we just submitted for the merge request. So after the pipeline has been done, it's been pushed into the master branch. And now it is running one more pipeline to push it out to the server. As you can see, the server deployment has passed, so the master branch is currently updated with that most recent code, get ID 39C348FF. We go into Postman and we make a call on that check. We see that the software has successfully been updated and is now showing that get commit ID. That has been our demo, going from front to back of our continuous integration process. Thank you for watching.